My son, he have autism disorder when he's have 3.5 years. Honestly, I'm telling, I don't know that time what is his autism. He have non-verbal. He can say only mom and dad, mama. Mama mean our language, English uncle. We call mama. So some kind of learning disabilities. We worried, me and my wife. When I check YouTube video clip and Facebook messages, etc., your patient view, review everything, we check. So I thought, why not we can't try it? The first night I worried, really I worried what to do. Language, Bulgarian, Serbian. I hopefully will get much results. My name is Ruben. My son name is Aruksan. He have autism disorder. I'm out of London, Lincolnshire. From London to 3 hours to travel to my house. My son, so his name is Aruksan. He have autism disorder when he's have 3.5 years. He have non-verbal. He can say only mom and dad, mama. Mama mean our language, English uncle. We call mama. So some kind of learning disabilities, not all. Other than he's fine. Mostly he understand. Hearing wise okay. He used to go up to year 4, not 8. Year 4, he used to go to mainstream school. Now he is a special school, like a sports college. They have a special trained teachers, so they are looking after. And he can feed himself. We don't need to feed him, so he can do, and he can bath and the toilet wise everything he can do. So only we worrying, in non-verbal, cannot speak. We noticed around 2 years, 2.5 years. Then we waited for 3 years, 3.5 hours. Maybe he can speak, So after 3.5 years, my friend also told me maybe something he have something. You can go with doctor. So I booked an appointment with the pediatrician. So they check all the check and hearing test, and firstly they said 𝘗𝘭𝘓, maybe some 𝘗𝘭 inside, but he had some 𝘗𝘭, but they cure it. But afterwards also same problem. Then I've been to a couple of appointment with the pediatrician, Dr. Kanti and Dr. I don't know name. So they did all the tests, etc., etc. Within 6 months they found it. They said, okay, he have autism disorder. This is his life. He had to carry on with lifelong. We worried, me and my wife really worried. First time we heard about autism. Honestly, I'm telling, I don't know that time what is his autism. Then we check online everywhere, and afterwards I found one in India, one therapy, Chennai. So we've been there for 9 months. I did some kind of treatments like body massage and oil massage and some Ayurvedic medical, some mouth therapies, helpful for him, and also doctor said he need to diet, then only they can do the treatment. So he full diet, he couldn't eat any chocolate and fizzy rings, kind of only 10-20% is cured, not full cured. After he had a treatment in India, if hyperactives calmed down, because we had down all the chocolate and fish rings. So not purely complete his problem. After we came back 9 months back to England, we had some Ayurvedic medicine. We follow on the medicine, but not full cure it. Afterwards, last 3-4 months ago, I found in Panama, I need to tell honestly, my friend, he's also living in London, his brother in Canada, he's been to Panama to his son to do the stem cell therapies. So I thought, okay, then I checked online, the Panama stem cell therapies. We go through everything, and the last minute they said they can't do forcefully, like we need to put the needles and everything. But he is very not cooperate with this kind of things. Panama clinic, firstly I check and okay, everything okay, check okay, Ruben, they send the amount, this is your amount, $17,000. I said okay, I don't mind, and they said everything okay. And last minute they said they can't do anesthesia. So he can't cooperate with the injection, so they said they can't do anesthesia. I said, how can? They said no, if you can't cooperate with your child, so they can't put anesthesia. I thought, okay, so if you go there to 14 hours flight and too far away, I thought, okay. Then we found US Swiss Medica clinic, and not far, 3 hours flight. Then I spoke to Alexander. This has happened. My child Arxen can't cooperate with all the kind of your stem cells, what we call, can't put needles on. Yeah. So they said, okay, we can do anesthesia, and we have a good member of nurse and colleague. They can cooperate everything. Then I found another one here, Swiss Medica, in Facebook and YouTube. We check all the your video clips and everything, and some other patient they put their view. We check everything. Then I had one interview with Alexander. So I sent my son Arxen medical report, everything, and blood test report, and she checked everything. She said, yes, sir, we can do something for him for stem cell therapies. Honestly, I'm not sure about stem cell therapies at the first time. So we checked everything. Alexander, my one of friend, our family friend Leslie, she also came with here for 5 days. She now went back to London. She has some appointment. So we checked everything, and we thought, okay, we can do something for Arxen for life. I have my family friend, one of doctor. I don't want to mention name. He said, Ruben, this is not a possibility. We checked somebody else also, but not possibility. Up to you. I can't recommend that. Maybe he doesn't know about this. But he's 70 years. He should know, but he said, sorry, Ruben, I can't recommend it. Up to you. So that's it. Then I won't stop, because when I check YouTube video clip and Facebook messages, etc., your patient review everything, we check. So I thought, why not we can't try it? Then we had interview Alexander and another doctor. We thought, okay, plan to come here. Serbia, okay, I thought in Europe. So now we still in Europe. When first we worried to come here, so near Russia. Russia-Ukraine war going on. I thought, okay, for my son Arxen, I can do anything for my son Arxen. Really, he is my lovely son. The first night I worried, what to do. Language, Bulgarian, Serbian. So, and the next day, also your staff, very kindly, doctors is Lena and your nurse Maria. Yeah, she very kindful, and your manager especially, I need to thank to her anesthesia, really helpful. Ruben, whatever you want, you can do it. We have a kitchen there. If you want, you can go and cook it your food. I did 3 times. My cook, rice and curries, really, because I'm pure vegetarian. I cannot eat any meat or anything. I'm pure vegetarian. So I bought from the UK some chili powder and lentils, some others, So I love to cook, a couple of days, 3 days, and others, your staff, kitchen staff, and your cleaners. Everyone really friend with. Anybody want to come, you can freely come. They are friendly, helping, you know. And we have close to one Indian restaurant, Spice Restaurant. You can go and eat our Indian food, the lovely food. I've been 5 times. I'm staying here 11 days. I've been 5-6 times the Indian restaurant. And we have close to supermarket. If you need to, you can walk and buy anything. So tomorrow last 11 days. So I expected 3 to 6 weeks, or maybe within 6 months, definitely my son will get improved. I hopefully will get improved because so many people coming. When I came here first day and only me and me, then now so many people come and go. So I hopefully will get much results, better results. Heart will help to everything. They are friendly with our son, you know, like our family members. I feel like your nurse and doctors, our family members. I can't say anything wrong, really, you know. And especially I thank with your kitchen members and cleaners. Really, I very thankful, and your taxi drivers. You know, I'm thankful for all the support up to 11 days. You know, I don't know how to go on 11 days. I thought look like 2 days, but 11 days passed. It's all very good.